Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can get PS Plus free games if you are a PS Plus member. Let's start the video. So before I tell you how you can get the free games, I just want to say you that if you haven't bought the PS Plus membership of the PlayStation, then you should definitely go and subscribe or buy the subscription. This is because the PS Plus subscription is worth every penny. Why am I saying so? Because I'm using it a lot and I have realized that without the PS Plus membership, your PS4 you can play games, but the fun with the PS Plus is not without it. Like, the main thing is that if you have the PS Plus membership, you get exclusive discounts on the PS Store. Like, you can get some of the games really cheap if you have the PS Plus membership. And the second main thing is that you can play most of the games online with your friends. This is the main thing why I like the PS Plus membership, because you can play online games with your friends and you can team up and play against other teams. That is the reason. And the third and the most important thing is that you get two high rated games every month until you have your subscription, meaning that this is the month of September, so I'm going to get two exclusive games, not exclusive meaning that they are going to be a high rated games on the PS Store. In November I will get two more, and so on until I have the subscription. So the main thing is that if I go and get the two games now, I will only have them as long as I have the PS Plus membership. So I can store them as long as I have the PS membership. Once my membership expires, I will not able to play them, but once I renew my membership, then I can go and play them again. So these games alone cost around, some cost $40, $50, $60. So I think having the PS Plus membership is worth to buy it. So anyways, you're going to get two games per month in your PS Plus membership, and now I'm going to show you how you can get these two games or any one, whichever you like, for free. That are the PS Plus exclusive games. So let me move towards the PS4 and let me show you how you can get your PS Plus free games. Here I have logged into my PS Plus account of the PlayStation 4. So in order to get your free PS Plus games, you're going to open the PlayStation Store. So let's see what free games are available for the month of September, as currently September has started. So anyways, you're going to scroll down until you see PS Plus on the left side. You're going to press on X to select it. So here you can see September monthly games, and we have Street Fighter 5 as well as Players Unknown Battlegrounds. So these are the two free games that are available on the PlayStation Plus for the month of September. In the next month the games will change. So I usually, what I do is, if I like the game, I download it, but if I want to play it in the next month, I add it to my library, because once the month is ended, those two free games are removed. But if you add to them to your library, then they will not be removed as long as you have the PlayStation Plus membership. Anyways, I wanted Street Fighter 5. So here you can see add to cart 19.99, and on the first it has add to library. You're going to press on add to library, and here you can see on the top 19.99 is its price, but you can see it's free because we're having PS Plus. And now you can simply press on download and your download will begin. Now if I go on the download section, in notifications, and also a notification has popped up on the top as well, Street Fighter 5 added to download. So here if I show you, it should be present here in the list as well. Here you can see Street Fighter 5. So guys, in this way you can have free PS Plus games on the PlayStation 4. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, then do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified of my latest coming videos. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.